Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, have you found these situations pictures don't display the thumbnail preview but show the default icon? Alright, so I'll show you the different method to fix the issue of picture thumbnails not showing in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Alright, so ang first method ay dito lang sa searching bar, ay search mo lang yung File Explorer and then click mo lang tong open. And then next, kailangan mo lang i-click tong tatlong dot. Ito yung see more. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong options. So dito sa folder options, kailangan mo lang select yung view. And then dito sa kanyang advanced settings, so dapat ay i-uncheck mo lang itong always show icons, never thumbnails. So kailangan mo lang itong i-uncheck. And then click mo lang tong apply. And then click mo tong okay. And then makikita mo mga kaibigan na nag-show na yung thumbnails dito. Alright, so in the other method naman na pwede natin gawin, ay dito lang sa start menu, and then search mo lang yung control panel, then click mo lang tong open, alright, and then click mo lang tong in category, and then click mo tong large icon, and then select mo lang yung system. So dito sa system, kailangan mo lang select dito yung advanced system settings, so click mo lang ito. And then dito sa kanyang system properties, select mo lang tong advanced. And then dito lang yung pinakauna yung performance, i-click mo lang tong settings. And then dito sa kanyang performance options, dapat ay naka-check itong show thumbnails instead of icons. Alright, so kailangan naka-check ito. Right, and then click mo lang tong apply, and then click mo tong okay. Alright, so the next method na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa ating File Explorer. And then click mo lang tong tatlong dot, see more, and then click mo lang tong options. So dito sa kanyang folder options, click mo lang tong view. And then kailangan mo lang i-click to restore defaults. Right? So click mo lang to apply and then click mo lang to okay. Alright, so the last method na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang sa start menu and then dito sa searching bar, ay search mo lang yung desk cleanup and then click mo lang to open. Then next, dito sa desk cleanup drive selections, select mo lang tong C drive natin. And then click mo tong okay. And then dito sa kanyang desk cleanup, and then next, dito lang sa files to delete, kailangan mo lang i-check dito yung thumbnails mga kaibigan. Alright, so check mo lang itong thumbnails and then click mo lang to okay. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin ipipix yung picture thumbnails not showing in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.